So we're here in Victoria Park and we're going to walk the Hollingsworth Trail. It's a beautiful time of year here in the mid-fall, and all the eastern larches here are starting to change their color. Soon enough drop their needles. They're the last thing usually to change here in the fall. So yeah, it's a beautiful time for a walk. They're very vibrant right now. While everything else has fallen away, these still stand out, and they really stand out because of the lack of any colors. Supposedly it's going to be bright and sunny later on, but I don't believe that. It does not look like it's going to shape up to be a sunny day. It's 11:48 already. And yeah, I mean, there's not much hours of sunlight realistically left in the day, so the forecast is definitely wrong on November 9th, 2020. Such a beautiful tree. So used to seeing all the sparrows active and lively here. Everything changes in the fall. Very quickly too. The seasons just come on with a flash. The beginning of fall came August 26th this year. Came in with a storm and did not leave. We got back into the mid-30s for a bit, and then it's been steady 20s or below up to now. Some days going down into -10 overnights. Pretty bad. Not usual for this time of year, but we seem to have defeated the cold spell for now. Trail still looks great, holding up really well after the renovations that were done to it back in August. Such a beautiful, moody day. You can see this tamarack, or eastern larch as I usually call them, it's losing his needles already. Pretty cool. Nice big line up ahead of them, right along the shore side. This whole section up ahead here, with all these larches lined up, it makes for such an excellent shot. I've got many a good photograph here with more of a zoom lens. It's not so good with an ultra wide, like the GoPro I'm using right now. All right, the worst of the trail is yet to come. The worst, usually bogged down area after rains, and usually muddy all year round, but I'm curious to see how it holds up now with all the recent rains and wetness. If it's really bad, or if the renovations to the trail back in August helped it out. Look at it over there. Beautiful. Some soft sections here. Bikes went through recently. Some of this trail is, like I thought, pretty bogged down, but still better than last year. So it's an improvement. Not too long ago, this was glistening with leaves, all golden. Now look at it. It's dead. Spider running along. Happy to still see spiders. Oh wow, look at that. The dam is filling back up again. This used to be a little inlet here. It's drying up to be just a puddle. But now it's connected with the main body of the Leper Brook Reservoir again. That's nice. It's good to see.